In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Slides transitions. Transitions help your presentation feel polished by smoothly moving from one slide to the next. Used thoughtfully, they guide attention and set the pace without distracting your audience. So let's walk through the process step by step. First, open Google Slides in your web browser. If you already have a presentation, go ahead and open it. If not, start a new one from the homepage so you have a place to work. Keeping your project open and organized from the start makes the next steps easier. Next, pick a template. The template gallery gives you ready-made designs that save time and keep slides consistent. Click the template you like to create your presentation. Don't worry if it's not perfect yet. You'll refine it in a moment. Customize the template to fit your content. Replace placeholder text, add images or charts, and arrange your slides in the order you plan to present them. This is important because your transitions should match the flow of your story. For example, a subtle fade works well for informative slides, while something more dynamic might suit a big reveal. Now click transition at the top. This opens the motion panel on the right where all the transition options live. If you don't see it, make sure a slide is selected so the controls appear. Choose a transition style from the list. You'll see options like fade, slide, and other effects. Pick one that supports your message rather than steals attention. Simpler transitions usually look more professional, especially for business or academic decks. Set the speed to slow, medium, or fast. Speed controls how long the effect takes. Slow can feel more cinematic, but too slow may drag. Fast is snappier, but can feel abrupt. Medium is a safe default if you're not sure. As you adjust, think about the rhythm you want for your talk. If you want a consistent look, apply the transition to all slides. This creates a cohesive feel and saves time on longer decks. It's a great choice for formal presentations where uniformity matters. Alternatively, select each slide and choose transitions individually. This lets you highlight key moments with a different effect while keeping most slides subtle. Just be careful not to overdo it. Too many styles can feel chaotic. Finally, click play in the motion panel to preview. Watch how each slide moves to the next and listen to your inner audience. If something feels too slow, flashy, or abrupt, tweak the style or speed until it fits. When it looks right, you're ready to present with confidence.